In this video, we are going to revise major crops classification in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Food grains crops: wheat, rice, paddy, jowar, bajra, maize. Pulses: gram, chana, pigeon pea, tur, arahar, black gram, urad, green gram, moong, lentils, masoor. Oilseed: soybean, mustard, groundnut, sesame, linseed. Stimulant crops: opium, cannabis, ganja, tea, tobacco. Vegetables: green pea, cauliflowers, long okra, tomato, potato, brinjal, onion, bottle gourd. Fruits: mango, guava, orange, papaya, banana. Spices: garlic, coriander, ginger, turmeric, chili. Flowers: tuberose, rose, marigold, and gladioli. Commercial crops: soybean, leading commercial crops. Largest area coverage among commercial crops. Regions for rapid expansion: grows on light soil, low labor requirement, higher yield than pulses and groundnut, improves soil fertility, nitrogen fixation, utilizes fallow kharif land in black cotton soil, Malwa Nimad. Economic support: government financial aid, seed, technical knowledge, high MSP. MP soya state, origin Devas district. National Soybean Research Institute office is in Indore. Botanical name: Glycine maxim, family and leguminous. Varieties: Ankur, Alankar, Gaurav, Ahilya, Kalitur, Pratistha, Moneta. Short duration to allow rabi crops. Nitrogen fixer: cotton. Botanical name: Gossypium, family Malvaceae. Varieties: Jawahar, Tapti, BT cotton. Main region: Nimad, Khargone, Dhar, Badwani, Khandwa, Burhanpur. Khargone largest area, 1/3 of the state. Area decline: 7.7 lakh hectare. 1950 to 51, 5.0 lakh hectare. BT cotton, commercial cultivation since 2002 to 03. First Organic Cotton Research Center, Khandwa. Black soil best suited. Nickname: White Gold. Khargone, Khandwa region. Sugar cane, botanical name: Sacharum officinarum, family Gramineae. Families Gramineae. Varieties: Srimukhi, Bahubali, and Charchika. Soil: medium to heavy black soil, loamy with good drainage, pH 6.5 to 7.5. Fully irrigated crop, concentrated near sugar and wood factories. Sugarcane Research Center, Bhowani, Narsinghpur. Food grains crops: wheat, most important food grains and rabi crops. Largest sown area among cereals. Major irrigated crops: wheat belt, northwest Deccan Plateau, western MP part. Rainfall: 75 to 127 cm. Irrigation wireless. Soil: black soil, traditional, now all soil types with irrigation plus fertilizers. Expansion: Bundelkhand River, alluvial loamy soil in North Madhya Pradesh. Production zones: 5 belt: Malwa Plateaus, Central Narmada Valleys, Rewa Plateau, Bundelkhand Uplands, Central India Plateau. Highest concentration: Central Narmada Valley plus Eastern Malwa. Green Revolution: maximum benefit to wheat. High market demand to use of irrigation, HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides. Botanical name: Triticum astribium family Gramnei. Varieties GW173 Pusa Mangal, Malva Sri and Malva Sakti. Poshan Sudha, Malva Rath and Malva Koti. Sarvati Lokwan Sujata and Kalyan. Sarvati weight GI Tech 2022-23. Rice. Second in area production after wheat. High rainfall crops more than 100 to 125. East of Bedul Panna line. Most important zone Venganga Maikal. Balaghat Sivani Mandla Dindori. High rainfall plus fertile soil plus dense population plus cheap labor. Botanical name Oryza sativa family Gramnei. Varieties Shabhagi and Danteswari. Pusa WCL. Pusa Sugandh. Narendra Sankar. Dhantu Sahyadri Chinnor. Chinnor rice Balaghat. First GI tag in agriculture Madhya Pradesh. Maize. Third major food grains globally after wheat and rice. Crown on undulating less fertile land. Main belt Neemuch Rajgarh to Badwani Khargone. Semi-arid climate. Largest producer Chhindwara to city of Kon. Also notable Baitul Southeast District tribal belt concentration called Queen of Cereals. Botanical name Z. Myas family Gramnei. Varieties Vivek hybrid Prakash Jowar both Kharif and Rabi higher in Kharif. Main areas Nimar plus central Satpura. Drought resistance, low rainfall, light, less fertile soil, light loamy soil waste. Grain used for high quality alcohol plus ethanol. Botanical name Sorghum bicolor family Gramnei. Varieties Varsha, Moti and Swarn. Millets Kodo, Paspalum and Scrobicutum. Kutki Panicum antidotal. Eaten like rice. UN International Year of Millet 2023 to India calls Sri Anna. Main producers Dindori Mandla, Sivani Jabalpur. Lahari Bai Baiga tribe. Dindori Millet Queen. Sri Anna Research Center proposed at Dindori. Superfood is Kodo. Pulses grain major pulses and cash crops. Central MP belt Riva to Dhar. Key areas Eastern Malwa, Southern Bundelkhand, Upper Mid Narmada, Baitul Chhindwara. Rabi crops need moisture at sowing dry later. Botanical name Cicer artinium family Leguminaceae. Kabuli varieties JG1, JG2, JG3. Desi varieties JG14, Jaki 9218, JG63, JG412, JG130, JG16, JG11, JG322, JG218, JG74, JG315. Oil seed groundnut semi-arid kharif crop. Main areas Nimar, Khargone, Khandwa, Badwani, Satpura, Chhindwara, Sivani, Baitul, Bundelkhand, Dadya, Shivpuri, Tikamgarh, Chadarpur. Shandy, loamy, well drained, rich in organic matter and calcium. Botanical name Arachis and Hypogaea. Family Fabaceae. Varieties JGN3, JGN23, TG337A, JL501 and GG20. Mustard major rabi oilseed North MP especially Chambal Valley. Central India plateau mustard bowl second after soybean in oilseed. Botanical name Brassica and Campestris. Brassica junica family Brassicea. Varieties Jawahar, Turia 1 and Bhavani. Type 9 Jawahar mustard Rajbija. Mustard 2 Navgold Pusa. Mustard 21 Ashirvad Maya. Linseed Rabi oilseed Main district Riva Sagar. Tikamgarh Balaghat Sivani. grown in all soil types. Spices and vegetables: coriander, dhania. Botanical name: Corandrum and Satyam. Major producers: Guna, Mandsaur, Sadapur, Rajgarh, Virisa, Chhindwara. Top 3 district in India: Guna, MP; Ramganj, Mandi, Rajasthan; Godal, Gujarat. Varieties: Kumbhraj, Hisar, Sugandh, Pant, Haritma. Onion. Botanical name: Allium cepa. Family: Liliaceae. Varieties: Bhima Super. Main districts: Khandwa, Sajapur, Ratlam, Chhindwara, Sagar, Indore. Garlic. Botanical name: Allium sativum. Family: Liliaceae. Varieties: Yamuna, Safed 1, G1, Mahadev, and Amleta. Main districts: Mandsaur, Neemuch, Ratlam, Dhar, Ujjain. Contain allicin to pungent smell and taste. Processing unit: export powder pressed. Horticulture crops: mango. Varieties: Langada, Sundaraj, and Mallika. Nurjahan, Amrapali. Dashahari, Nurjahan, Alirajpur, Khattiwada. Sundarjam in Riva got GI tag in 2022-23. Banana, Burhanpur. Leading producers: Banana Research Center. Proposed at Sukhpuri, Burhanpur. Varieties: Robusta, Mahalakshmi, Basrai. Grapes: Ratlam, famous. Grape Research Center, Ratlam. Amla, highest production, Panna. Called Doctor Plant. Varieties: Banarasi, Kanchan, and Rasana Krish. Stimulant and other crops. Tobacco. Districts: Riva Satna, introduced in India 1605 to Portuguese by Portuguese. Opium district: Mandsaur, Neemuch. Second opium processing and alkaloid plant in India, Neemuch. Nickname: Black Gold. Cannabis: Ganja. District: Khandwa, Burhanpur. Crop area productions: rice, Balaghat, Riva. Wheat, Ujjain. Area wise, largest area in hectare and highest production in Dhar. Jowar, Gwalior, Gwalior. Basra, Morena, Morena. Maize, largest area in Chhindwara and production in Chhindwara. Gram, Raisen and Chhatarpur. Tur, Singrauli and Chhindwara. Moong, Chhatarpur, Damo. Urad, Sagar, Chhatarpur. Groundnut, Shivpuri, and Shivpuri. Sesame, Chhatarpur and Chhatarpur. Mustard, Bhind, Bhind. Linseed, Mandsaur, Mandsaur. Soybean, Ujjain, Ujjain. Cotton, Khargon, Khargon. Sugarcane, Narsinghpur and Narsinghpur. National ranking: rice first Telangana, first West Bengal. Wheat first UP, second MP. First UP, second MP. Maize first Karnataka, third MP. First Karnataka and second MP. Millet first Rajasthan and third MP. First Karnataka. Tur first Karnataka and first Maharashtra. Here is difference of years production. Gram first MP in 2023-23. First Maharashtra in second Madhya Pradesh previous year. Total pulses: first Madhya Pradesh, first Madhya Pradesh. Total food grains: first UP, second MP. First UP, second MP. Groundnut first Gujarat, third Madhya Pradesh. In 2021-22, first Gujarat. Mustard first Rajasthan, third Madhya Pradesh. First Rajasthan, second Madhya Pradesh. Soybean first Madhya Pradesh, first Maharashtra, second Madhya Pradesh. Total oilseed: first Rajasthan, second MP. First Rajasthan, second MP. Sugarcane first UP, first UP. Cotton first Gujarat and first Gujarat. Agriculture institutions and research center. Institutions location: नेशनल सोयाबीन रिसर्च सेंटर इंदौर, शुगर केन रिसर्च सेंटर बोहानी नरसिंहपुर, वीट रिसर्च सेंटर पावरखेड़ा नर्मदापुरम, कॉटन रिसर्च सेंटर खारगोन, ग्राउंड नट रिसर्च सेंटर खारगोन, पल्स रिसर्च सेंटर अमलाहा सीहोर, राइस रिसर्च सेंटर प्रपोस्ट बड़वानी, ग्रेप्स रिसर्च सेंटर रतलाम, बनाना रिसर्च सेंटर प्रपोस्ट इन सुखपुरी बुरहानपुर, आमला रिसर्च सेंटर गोविंदगढ़ रीवा, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग रिसर्च सेंटर मंडला, फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन रिसर्च सेंटर खंडवा, श्री अन्न रिसर्च सेंटर प्रपोस्ट डिंडोरी, इंटरनेशनल मेज एंड व्हीट सेंटर खमरिया जबलपुर रीजनल ऑफिस, व्हीट साइंस रिसर्च सेंटर जबलपुर, बायोडाइवर्सिटी बोर्ड भोपाल, सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च भोपाल इंस्टीट्यूट, फर्स्ट एरोपोनिक पोटैटो सीड लैब ग्वालियर की गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज MP स्टेट सीड एंड फार्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन 1980, MP स्टेट सीड सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी 1980, MP स्टेट एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग बोर्ड 1973, 7 regional offices, 259 mandis and 298 sub-mandis, MP State Agriculture Industries Development Corporation 1969, MP State Warehousing and Logistic Operation 1958, MP Livestock and Poultry Development Corporation 1982, MP Agriculture Cost and Marketing Commission 2017. Scheme and policies. मुख्यमंत्री किसान कल्याण योजना 2020 6,000 per year, earlier 4,000. PM किसान 12,000 per year. MP Natural Farming Development Scheme 2022 pesticide free soil health environment 100 village district 5 farmers village 900 per month for desi cow. MP Millet Mission 11 April 2023 80% subsidy on certified seed, 2 years duration. INAM 14 April 2016. Soil Health Card Scheme 50 department plus 28 university labs, 265 new block level lab proposed. मुख्यमंत्री कृषक जीवन कल्याण योजना 2008, मुख्यमंत्री कृषक मित्र योजना, परमानेंट पंप कनेक्शंस, सूरज धरा योजना SC/ST फार्मर्स हाई यील्ड पल्स ऑयल सीड, कृषि कर्मठ अवार्ड, MP won 7 times consecutive times in 2011 to 12 and then 2017-18, last in 2021 7 time. Organic farming. MP Organic Farming Policy 2011 promotes natural farming, biocolors, PGS and certification. First Organic Village Movement 2001 to First Village Block, largest certified organic area in India. Mandla highest organic farms. First Organic Cotton Research Khandwa 2018. Productivity, regional disparities, parameters highest lowest. Productivity hectares Malwa North MP. Cropping industry Malwa Vindhyas 140.71%. Irrigation coverage Central MP 72.77%. Vindhyas. Rural literacy South MP 69.18%. Malwa 59.87%. Fertilizer use SW South West MP 125.85 kg per hectare. Vindhyas 49.79 kg hectare. Credit distribution Malwa 61,966 per hectare. Vindhyas 16,713 hectare. Crop and geography soybean. Soy states first in India. Ujjain area wise, Dhar production wise. Wheat largest area Rabi irrigated. Ujjain area Dhar production wise. Sarvati Jitech 22-23. Gram first in India. Raishan area wise, Sadarpur production wise. Cotton white gold Khargon 1/3 area. Maize city of corn Chhindwara. Rice east of Betulpanna Balaghat area or Riva production. Chinnaur Jitech. Mustard bowl Bhind. Banana leading producer Burhanpur. Nicknames MP soil state Chindwara, city of corn, Khargon Khandwa, white gold, opium, black gold, maize, queen of cereals, millet, 2 Sri Anna superfood. Institutions and awards. Soybeans, Indore. Cotton, groundnut, Khargon. Sugarcane, Bhuwani. Wheat, Pawarkheda. Organic cotton, Khandwa. Millet production, Indori. Banana, millet proposed Dindori and banana proposed in Sukhpuri, Burhanpur. Awards. Krishi Karma 7-time awards, last in 2021. GI tags, Sarbati wheat, Sundarja mango, Chinnau rice. Scheme Kisan Kalyan, 12,000 per year, 6,000 state plus 6,000 by PM. Millet mission, 80% seed subsidy. Organic policy 2011. Natural farming 2022. Prelims one-liners. Soybean started in Dewas. BD cotton from 2002 to 2003. First GI in agriculture, Chinnau rice. Millet Kyun Lahari by Dindori. Mustard bowl, Central India produce. Wheat bowl, Malwa produce. Largest mandis, 259 plus 298 some mandis. First organic cotton center, Khandwa. MP won Krishi Karma award 7 times. Organic leader, Mandla. Enam started in 14 April 2016. Must remember, soybean more than cotton more than sugarcane, commercial. Wheat more than rice, and rice is more than maize. Gram, soybean, national first, MP. Second wheat, total food grains, oilseed. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, in ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of video keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.